Hello again, welcome back everyone. Alright, today we're back on the Mustang and this should be a fun day because what we've got here is an Accel Supertuner. This is a product made by Holley, I believe. Obviously the main gist is to provide a little bit of performance for your vehicle, extra performance. And this one is for various models as well. And they claim, well, they claim a lot of things that sound too good to be true and probably are. But anyway, we're going to try it out, have a little fun with it. Yeah, average gains in excess of 30 horsepower or 40 foot-pounds of torque for gas engines. Average gains. Anyway, it can do quite a few other things as well. This came with the car from the previous owner bought this. And so since I've got it, I'm going to try it. And I'm pretty sure he already tried it, previous owner. So let's take a quick look. So this is kind of just a review and demo of what we're going to do with this guy. So what comes in the box? We get the tuner itself, ODB2 connection, computer charger, probably not a charger, probably just a computer hookup. So you can download the latest software updates from Holley on to the tuner itself. And then besides that, there's really not much else other than this manual. So I've kind of gone through this a little bit, just look to see what it can do. What we're going to do today is do a quick tune. So we'll go through these steps. At least on this tuner that I've looked so far, it's really only got, we'll just say 3 tunes on it. One is the stock tune, which puts it back completely the way it was, I'm assuming. And then it has an 87 octane tune, I believe, which is what it's currently running on. So that means you can throw, according to this, 87 octane into it and it should run just fine no matter what else you've done to it. According to this, the 87 octane is designed to allow you to run 87 octane regardless of the manufacturer's recommendation. Okay, anyway. And then the other one I saw on there was just, all it said was performance. Designed for maximum engine and transmission performance. So it doesn't really give you an octane rating specific to that. So I think what we're going to do is do a quick tune with performance. We'll run out and put some higher octane fuel in it. This is Colorado. We're at altitude. We don't get very high stuff here because of the altitude. It stays a little lower, so 91 is probably what we're looking at. And then, yeah, then I think we should take it out for a test spin and see what it can do and see if there's any difference, at least feel. Of course, we're not doing any dyno stuff here, so it'll all just sort of be pretty subjective and seat of the pants, and we'll go from there. And yeah, if nothing else, we can have fun driving it around on some fun back twisty roads and hear it grind away. So stay tuned for that. Next stop, when it warms up out just a little bit more, we'll get this tune applied. I'll walk through the steps of it. It should be pretty quick and easy, and then we'll take her out. So hang on. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to work on this Accel tuner. Let's see what we've got going here. So Get down here, locate the ODB2 port under here, and there it is. This guy here. And let's see. Simple instructions. Let's just kind of walk through this real quick and see what we get. Plugged in good. We get a little power to the tuner now. I don't know if I can keep this thing from moving around too much. Let's see how this goes. Step 1, plug the device into the ODB2 port. The device will automatically power on once it has been connected. So, success. Step 2, enter the tuning menu by pressing OK. So we will press OK. And we'll do what it says, which is turn the ignition on. There we go. Things are moving. Turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Follow the on-screen instructions. So we'll press OK once we turn that on. Oh. Sorry. Can't go wrong with a little Colt. Alright. Press OK. Communicating. So here we've got our tuning selection. So as I kind of mentioned before, I think this is all we've got. Stock, 87 Octane, and Performance. And we're going to go for Performance. Let's see. Select a tuning level. We'll hit OK. This is good. 91 octane or higher fuel is required. A little extra information. OK to confirm, because we're good with that. Do you want to customize options? In this case, no. So the instructions say push the left arrow to say no, to close out of the custom options. Building the tuning file. That sounds promising. Program the tuning file. I think that's what we want to do. So we press OK for yes. Turn the ignition back off. Press OK. Then turn things back on. There we have it. That took a couple minutes. Tuning file installed. Press OK to continue. And we're back to the main screen. And I think that is it. So once again, our performance tune is on here. And let's see. Let's turn this guy back off. plug here. Get my handy little light out of the way. And to make sure things are still okay, at least, we'll give it a quick startup. And it roars to life. It's always a good sign. So at least that part's a success. So let's go for a ride here in a minute.